you guys see here, after 6 months, this is my hair. So I'm very happy. I'm very much impressed with the services from Paradise Polyclinic. Hi, I'm Venkatesh. Basically, I'm from India. I came here 6 months back. There was no hair. If you guys see my old pics, I can say like I don't have hair at the time. Some of my friends suggested me this Paradise Polyclinic. I came here and I was very much impressed with the hospitality and everything. If you guys see my hair as well, right? It's grown up very nicely. That is only due to Paradise Polyclinic. I can say like I'm very much happy, very much impressed. There was nothing I did. I just followed the instructions they said that. And the treatment is for 8 hours a day, 3 days continuously. After completion of the treatment, 5 days I came here, they cleaned up everything and I went back to my normal life. And now I suggest and I request everyone who wants a hair transplantation treatment, be here in Paradise Polyclinic, Dubai. Thank you guys.